Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, the place where we expose products that talk the talk but don't walk the walk. Today, we're grilling the truth about the GiddyUp Grill Cleaner, a product that claims to make cleaning your grill a breeze. But is it a legit tool or just another BBQ scam? Let's fire it up and find out. GiddyUp Grill Cleaner is being marketed all over the internet, from YouTube ads to TikTok influencers, claiming it can effortlessly remove burnt-on gunk and grease from your grill with zero elbow grease. Sounds like a dream, right? But here's what we found. The product boasts heavy-duty bristles, safe for all grill type, quick and easy use, but when you dive into real-world use, the bristles often wear out fast. Some users report it doesn't clean as deeply as shown in ads, and in a few cases, bristles have broken off, which is a big safety concern. On the official site, there are tons of 5-star reviews, but many look suspicious. Some style, generic comments, no photos, classic signs of planted or filtered feedback. Meanwhile, when you check third-party sites or Reddit, you get a different picture. Complaints about poor build quality, late deliveries. And some even claim they never received the product. The price? Around $30 or $40 depending on the promo. Not bad, if it actually worked well. But the shipping times are long, especially for international buyers, and customer support seems to be hit or miss. Multiple users report getting ignored when they asked for refunds. So, is the GiddyUp Grill Cleaner worth it? Not really. While it may work for light messes, it's definitely overhyped and the quality doesn't match the price tag. Plus, the customer service issues are a big red flag. If you're serious about grill care, you're better off sticking with trusted brands that back their products with solid warranties. Have you tried the GiddyUp Grill Cleaner? Or been burned by a too-good-to-be-true gadget? Drop your in the comments below. And if you want more brutally honest reviews like this, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't get scammed again. Thanks for watching Online Scam Advisor, where we clean up the truth, one product at a time. Thank you.